So, this is part 2 or part 1 or whatever. I don't know what part this is, but I'm on the way to surprise my mate. Another one, he has no idea I'm on a bike. He has no idea. Let's get his reaction and see what he has to say. I'm just gonna ring him and tell him to come out first. He's in the shop there. Let's call him and see what he says.
Welcome to the O2 mess.
Don, where are you?
I'm at home, bro.
Alright, come outside. I'm gonna swing by for 2 seconds because
I beg you say you're outside because it's hot. Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh, this is. Oh, where'd you get this?
Are you on camera? So say hello.
When did you get this?
Back in April. What do you reckon?
That's mad. On a scale of 1 to 9,000, how hot are you right now?
Oh, no, I'm alright because I'm riding around and that is blessed.
Want some water?
I thought, let me come round.
So this is yours, yeah?
Yeah. Look.
Yeah, this is sick. This is.
Jump on, G.
You're mad. I don't want to get up.
See this guy, bro. Say hello to the vlog.
Listen. Are you not hot?
Nah, I'm alright, you know, because I'm riding around in it.
Yeah, put this in the side then.
What for?
Don't leave it out here, fam. Put it inside. It might look like a nice area, but we're not in a nice area.
Khatam. Bye bye.
Bro, you leave that out here and guarantee within 10 minutes I'll be gone.
Tata.
What's the, that looks rapid, that does.
Don't test me.
If I just walk. Look at me up, so you can see who you are. Just get on the bike now, I didn't even know you were
What gone? Who the come on? What gone? Why are you so scared? Why did you get scared?
I thought it was going to be a dog.
I'm glad I got this on camera. A dog, yeah? Why?
Leathers and shit.
It's too hot. I'm sorry, but it's too hot.
What about safety first?
Helmet, gloves. Do you want to jump on? No. You do want to jump on? Come then.
I would.
Come. I know you would. Now you can just have this one.
Yes! Go give my phone.
Right, leaving my man's. Curdworth Post Office. You come here. He sounds cocaine. Bro, I'm gonna bounce.
Let me know when you get home here.
Alright, safe.
Chill one.
Yeah, course. Safe.
Girl about a 10, I should fuck her in a Benz.